Let's start with data at consumer level. So you have information for every single home. Now, the hierarchy on the grid is not flat, right? So you do have substations, for example, transformer substations, right? So when you superimpose that level of detail on top of this home level information, you start seeing certain patterns. What you could see is which are my transformers that are under increased pressure from new EVs, for example, or substations for that matter. And not just that, because that is something that maybe you can do by putting a meter on the substation and looking at it. What you really want to do is you want to extend your investment and make sure that you do not have to replace or upgrade your equipment. And the way to do that is by trying to drill down and try to figure out why that pressure has been created. So is there just this 1 hour of day when something happens across a bunch of homes that is causing that pressure? In that case, I can actually come up with a new program where I can target these very people that are contributing to this pressure on the grid, and I'm able to dissipate that, right? So for a very, very small investment, I could do that. The alternative legacy solution would be to go and upgrade my equipment, right? So just in terms of extending the value of their investments, I think that's something that we can do in a big way, which is not possible before.